guys, here with another video, and it's time for some Kirby. Now we were both balls, so I figured, hey, can you play Pac-Man? And he was like, no, and I was like, oh, okay, well, gotta ruin the system. You see me rolling, they're hating, interference OP. I honestly meant to get a charge off. I was gonna do my hammer, but I mean, I fucked up. We're debating. So, you arrested me there, Jigglypuff, and now I'm gonna give you your diagnosis. Absolute pain. Yahoo! I'm still Kirby Puff. Kirby Puff. So, yeah, we were AFK for a while. I didn't realize that. How about that rest, though? That rest was pretty good. Well, this is gonna be my commentary section. Might as well be, because... Can we just kill each other already? This is boring as hell. What are we waiting for? Oh my god, how long were we AFK for? Like 2 minutes? Jesus Christ. Wake me up when it starts. Hey, bitch, get off me. I'm guessing it starts around here. I can't grab you. Bitch. I accidentally grabbed him and hit him. So we're really perfecting our ducking skills. We're training to be ninjas. Just imagine I just like rolled into Jigglypuff and she just out of the blue rested me. Okay, well after that 2-minute long intermission, let me just kill you guys. The baits. That pound saved my life. And I just died anyway. I do not feel content without being Kirby Puff. Just waiting for the rest. He was gonna arrest me. Oh my god, my shield. $69. Well, he's dead. Home run! 69% kill. That rest was literally just out of range, and I was just like, boosh! And that was my only kill. Jigglypuff dominated us. Who cares? I'm the baddest ball around. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hey, look, it's 4:20. The time ended at 4:20. Alright. Well, I don't know what's going to die first, the recording or my phone. Probably my phone, since it just went dark all of a sudden. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that match. Sorry about the 2-minute wait. I didn't realize we were AFK for that long, but we had to do something. It was like we were fighting in school, and then all of a sudden we had to move for about a minute and settle in. So, yeah. But, peace, guys. Fucking Jigglypuff. Don't try to arrest me. I'm gonna smack you with the hammer of justice.